This is Room Answers. I'm Dr. Bookfear. I teach you how to control your joint pain so it doesn't control you. Now, I'm still here at Black Canyon National Park in beautiful Colorado, and we're here at a location called the Painted Wall. Now, I've been talking a lot about how the sun can be bad for your skin, but in certain conditions, it can actually be very beneficial. For instance, psoriasis, which I treat a lot of. I treat a lot of psoriasis and psoriatic arthritis, which involves systemic inflammation and, of course, arthritis. Now, UV rays are actually a treatment for psoriasis and can clear up really stubborn, nasty plaques. Now, I personally don't use UV treatment for my patients because they typically have systemic inflammation and need systemic treatment with drugs, oral pills, injectables. However, I always will tell my patients that your skin is likely to flare up in the winter rather than the summer when the sun's out and people are outside. So if I can get you perfectly controlled in the winter, then we know we're good to go year round.